Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to resolve the x3daudio1 underscore 7.dll file is missing or not found on your computer. Specifically, the error message reads that the program can't start because x3daudio1 underscore 7.dll is missing from your computer. Try reinstalling the program to fix this problem. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, on how to resolve this issue. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So first thing I recommend doing would be to heed the advice of that prompt and then reinstall the application if that is feasible to do so. If you're having issues with that, something else we can try here as well would be to open up a web browser of our choice. It doesn't really matter. I'm going to open up Microsoft Edge for today's tutorial. And I'm going to search for DirectX Runtime Web Installer. Go ahead and search for that. Best match should come back from Microsoft domain here that says download end user runtime web installer. Go ahead and open that up. And then you want to select the appropriate language here. Again, make sure it says Microsoft.com up in the URL bar and select the appropriate download button. Once it's done downloading, go ahead and run that setup file and select the corresponding yes option. You want to accept the agreement once you've looked through the terms and select next. I'm going to uncheck the option to install the Bing bar, and then I'm going to select next again. Give us a moment here. And then select next. Once that is concluded, select Finish, and then you want to restart your computer. And there you go, guys. So hopefully that was a pretty straightforward process. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.